received this in the mail today, and this is a game changer. So, let's crack this thing open. Nope, no need. Oh, it's a sous vide machine. Look how beautiful that looks. This is the Anova something model sous vide maker, and I am stoked. Look at this. Look at this beauty. It looks like some sort of microscope. Or some sort of toy. However, there is currently a problem because I don't have anything to cook in my fridge. It's literally just eggs and salsa water. So it's time to hit the store. There we go. All right, so we also need to get a vacuum sealer. I managed to borrow from my dad. Now I've never actually used this vacuum sealer, so this should be a bit interesting. This is definitely a short cable. I'll unplug it for now. Go ahead and season these steaks. We're just gonna use some salt, garlic, and rosemary. Which means I should probably go get some rosemary. That should be good. Nothing quite like the smell of fresh rosemary. If you don't have it, I recommend you highly get a tree. Or a plant. What is it? A plant? Herb? Herb plant? Herb. Take one of these puppies right off. Looks like a hair, but let's just pretend it isn't. We need to cut this, roll this. I think this is how it works. Not very, but let's cut some more. That didn't do anything. Let's try it again. I'm so confused. I don't know how you seal this thing. Hey, that work? Yes, it did. So now we got that seal, let's go ahead and add our aromatics. Don't be afraid of the salt. Salt is good for you. And a sprig of thyme. Let me wash this first. Let's see if we can get this to work. Not quite. Let's try this again. Dang it. All right. Oh! I lost a valuable piece of garlic. Where'd it go? All right, let's try this again. That did not seal too well. Not so much to seal, it didn't. Place end of bag inside vacuum trough. Maybe that's what I was doing wrong. Hey, look at that. Money! Now we're cooking with fire. Well, not really, but. Bloop. That was a hell of a way to waste a lot of vacuum sealer bags, but you know. I went to plug this in, but little short. Never thought I'd need an extension cable to cook sous vide, but I've seen weirder things. So the steak stream, we're gonna set a timer for 1.5 hours. Set timer 1.5 hours.
1 hour and 30 minutes, starting now.
Time left.
There's less than 10 seconds left on your 1 hour and 30 minute timer.
There we go. Side. Excitement to get the steak cooked. I completely failed. I didn't have that pan hot enough to sear, but let's see what it looks like. It's supposed to be medium rare. Very tender. And even though we only seasoned it in the sous vide bag, it's really, really good. I'm gonna get this right. Till next time. Perfect.
You have 30 seconds left on your 1 hour and 30 minute timer.